Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Nancy. Today I am back again with a new video, and in this video I'll be sharing you tips of how to revise your medicine in a quick and good manner, because as you know medicine is a very vast subject and some juniors of mine asked me how to do medicine because it is very hectic and we are not able to do the first reading. How are we going to revise it? So don't worry, it can be done and it can be done in a very good way, so you no need to take tension about that. Let me share some things which is going to help you do medicine in a much more better way. Firstly, to take this thought out of your mind that it is very hectic and how am I supposed to do, how am I going to learn everything. You can't learn everything in medicine. No one of us can, no one has ever did that, and no one is going to do, because medicine is a never ending subject and a lot of things are there. But you just need to know that much, how much with you your questions can be solved and it is good and you're good to go for your exam. So let's focus on that. At least medicine में 30 to 35 questions आते हैं. At least try to do 20 to 25 questions correct, because if you are going to do that much questions correct, that means you can give yourself that surety that okay, my medicine is good. So the minimum number of questions we should be doing correct, trying to do correct, is 20 to 25. Now, what to do for medicine? पहली बात, अगर तुम्हारे basics strong है, like for example your patho, pharma and physio, if these three subjects are strong, medicine is going to be a bit easier for you because a lot of medicine is covered in patho. So अगर वहाँ से तुम्हारे basics अच्छे हैं तो your medicine is going to be easier, as well as you are going to have a benefit in understanding the concepts. Abhi, if you have not done at all medicine till now, you have not even done your first reading till now, so now the time is less. Don't go for your first reading from your main videos. Obviously you can use your rapid revision videos of any platform. Rapid revision videos can be used and you can cover with that. If you still want to go more on the data, the minimum things which you should be trying to do for medicine, rather than leaving the medicine as such whole, you should be trying to do the video. I am sharing the link, it is in the description box. You can go and see that. Last year from Cerebellum platform a marathon session came. In that they conducted for medicine as well. In that all the high yields points are there. तुम उसको miss नहीं कर सकते हो. You have to cover each and everything from that. You have to revise that at least 4 to 5 times so that at least वो उतना 7 hours का content should be there in your mind entirely. You should not miss out on any point in that. So this is something which you should be doing. Apart from that, those who have done their first reading of the medicine or are going to do or is going on, at least try with that तुमने CNS and CVS cardio और neuro part जो है main videos से करा है, और if you are having time कर लो main videos से. Apart from that, for every other systems, respiratory हो गया, endocrine हो गया, और whatever be other systems, तुम उसको RR से cover कर सकते हो. You can cover that from RR videos. But for these two, because a lot of questions come from that and these are some major part of your medicine, so these you should try to cover from your main videos. अगर मेन वीडियो से नहीं करा है and you have directly went to rapid revision, then also it's not a problem. अगर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होने चाहिए at the end, तुमने जहां से भी पढ़ाई करी है, where also sources you have used or you have used rapid revision, you have used YouTube sessions, the main goal should be that questions should be getting solved. If your questions are getting solved, that is not a problem. Now how to revise that? Revision के लिए the RR notes videos जो भी यूज कर रहे हो तुम, make sure that तुम्हारे पास उसका try to use that printed notes. If you are making a written notes by yourself, highlight the important points in that, highlight your weak points in that, use color combination of your highlighters. Question solve करते time, if you are solving a question and that time you are seeing that this question is a PYQ or you did it wrong, add that to your notes. Apart from that also you need to add one session, is that if you solved a question and it is a rare question, it is a rare topic, sometimes if you solve in PrepLadder, I don't know about other platforms, if you solve in PrepLadder, there will be a percentage of students did that question correct, like 46% did it correct or 76% got it correct. So if less number of students are getting it correct, maybe that is a rare question, or maybe it is a hard question, or it is out of the box question. So in that case, just add that point to your notes, mark it as important or put a star mark there, so that when next time you will revise that, you will come to that point and it will come again in your memory that okay, something this way came while I was revising and this point was something new. So that will also get covered in your notes. So next time you will have just the set of notes which you need to revise with all the important PYQs, all the important extra rare topic, everything are there in your notes. So the third revision or fourth revision for your notes are enough. उसके अलावा सम ऑफ पीपल हैव द हैबिट नॉट मेकिंग नोट्स एंड दे विल ओनली रिवाइज बाय सीइंग द वीडियोस. सो अगर सिर्फ यू आर हैविंग दैट काइंड ऑफ हैबिट जस्ट बाय रिवाइजिंग सीइंग द वीडियोस एंड रिवाइजिंग, तो मेक श्योर कि तुम वीडियो एटलीस्ट 1.5 पे सुन रहे हो, नॉट ऑन 2x और नॉट ऑन 1.8x. वो ज्यादा फास्ट हो जाता है. इन दैट यू नीड टू बी वेरी कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड फॉर लिसनिंग ईच एंड एवरी लाइन. समटाइम इट हैपेंस वी आर लिसनिंग अ line, some other thought came in my mind or some another thing came and 2-3 lines just misses away. So please do it on 1.2, 1.5 and then see the video. Then see it 4 to 5 times at least, so that every data should go in your mind again and again. And this is one thing. And was marathon wala video is for those who have not done till now anything. Even for those who have did also, they can also go back and watch that. देखने में कोई बुराई नहीं है. You can see that. Doing for another thing, for a lot of things are there in medicine which you can do if you are having time. So Marwa sir अपने channel से he used to come live in last December time and he used to take system by system classes. He'll add 8 to 10 questions of every system and he used to take that live session. 1 hour or maximum 2 hour sessions are there. It's not more than that. So if you are having time, do go and watch that. You can watch that. That is a very high yield. All the important topics are covered in that, and the benefit of that is there that if you can first try to attempt the question by yourself, answer खुद से दो, see if it is correct or not. अगर wrong हुआ तो there only he'll explain you. That explain after also the balance 3 answers, balance 3 options. Why are they not the answer? That is also explained by him. That what should be the buzzwords in the question for having the option A as an answer. So this is one thing. उसमें एक question के वजह से your 4 topics are going to get cleared. So that is going to be an advantage for you. So if you are having time, please do watch that. All the systems are there and that are on his YouTube channel. So that is one thing which you can add. FMG solution solve करो. In that टॉपिक बाय टॉपिक मेडिसिन क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. या 600 क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. बट अगर तुमने टॉपिक बाय टॉपिक किया है, सिस्टम बाय सिस्टम, यू वोंट फील दैट मच दैट इट इज दैट वे. So medicine can be done. Yeah, it is big. I know that. I also didn't complete an entire medicine with my main videos. मैंने rapid revision पे switch करा था because time was not there and we have to complete the videos. But अगर है time to use that. अगर नहीं है तो you can do these alternatives I already gave you. So this is how you should be doing going up with your medicine, and this way it will be done. You will be done at least this much that तुम्हारे 20 questions तो कम से कम solve हो जाएंगे. I can guarantee you that. So do this and or whatever plan you are following for medicine. If that is working for you, please stick to that. No need to follow this, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, if any one of you has another doubt or you want another subject for revision, sources and everything, please text me in the comment section or say me on the Instagram. I'll make a video and I'll come up with that. Till then, revise nicely. Keep revising, solve more questions, give more GTs, and all the best for the preparation, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.